my nephew Vihan, and I hope you like him because he's really adorable and he's really cute. He's a cutie pie. So today's video is all about top lipstick brands that I'm going to tell you about. These top lipsticks are my personal favorite, and I feel that every girl must have one of these in these collections. How's my baby feeling?
Yeah.
Say hi, say hi.
Bye.
So he's a very naughty boy, as you all can see, and now he wants to go. So today I have brought a different kind of video where I'm going to show you what are my most favorite top 5 lipsticks. I have quite a few lipsticks that I love, but today I'm going to show you my top favorite lipsticks that I guess every girl should have in their vanity box. So my all-time favorite lipstick is this Nykaa matte lipsticks, which are lovely to use. They are long lasting, they are transparent proof, and they are made for like all Indian skin tones. So almost every Indian girl can use these shades. There's a variety of shades, and personal favorites are Ras Kapi and Urja. So I'll be swatching it and show it to you. So this is the shade Urja that I'm wearing. It takes a few seconds to settle down on the lips. It's quite runny in consistency, and when you put it, it feels like a thin layer of lipstick on your lips. But actually when it dries and settles down, it takes a matte texture, covers your lips evenly. It is my daily wear lipstick that I usually wear for my office or when I'm going for shopping and even for parties. This is one great lip color that I use for all occasions, almost all occasions. When I'm using colorful eyeshadows or when I'm doing my eyes really bright, that is the time when I use this lipstick. I prefer this lipstick at those moments. It's fairly priced and it is available on Nykaa.com. It is also available on Nykaa stores. So this is the shade I love because it doesn't make my lips go very bright or tangy, and I like it as a subtle color. It can be worn on various occasions as well. So it is one of my most favorite lipstick, and I think every girl should have it. Why? Because this color suits almost all skin tones, and it's not that bright, as many people do not like bright colors, and it's neither too dull. So it's like a perfect lipstick. Next lipstick is Sugar Smudge Be Not lipstick. Now this lipstick is amazing. Until I knew this lipstick, I was a fan of Nykaa lipsticks, but the moment I got to know these lipsticks, I felt like this is like the best thing ever happened to me. Surely the lipstick quantity is lesser when compared to other lipsticks, but then the quality, the color, the texture is completely worth it. So I love this lipstick. It is again suitable for all Indian skin tones. Like the girls with little darker skin tones can also opt for this, and the girls like me who have bright skin tone will surely love this color. Basically this is in the shade 43 Hot Shot. It's in the shade 43 Hot Shot, and I love it because it gives a beautiful magenta pink color on my lips. Plus it doesn't stick on anything that you drink or eat, so that's another good thing about this lipstick. I also prefer this lipstick because it's very handy. Like, it is very small in size and it is very easy to apply. This comes in with this kind of a brush, and it is really easy to apply. So I'll be showing you how it looks on my lips. So the next brand that I'm talking about is this NYX. NYX is a brand and it is available in malls, in stores, and at Sephora, I guess, and of course at Nykaa.com. So it is again an unbelievable lipstick. It is smooth textured and it has such beautiful consistency that when you apply it on your lips, within one coat the lips tend to get the color really well. Again, this lipstick is in really light shade, and since I prefer wearing lighter pink shades or nude shades on a daily basis, this is like the ideal lipstick for all those girls who are looking for, you know, a very light pink shade, or something that can easily applied on those occasions where, you know, they don't want to apply a lot of makeup and they want to have a subtle look. So this lipstick is for all those girls who want beautiful pink subtle lips for all your regular days. So the next lipstick that I'm already wearing on my lips is this L'Oreal Paris Color Moist lipstick. Now this lipstick is highly pigmented and it gives a really beautiful color to your lips. Again, it's matte in texture. It doesn't it doesn't really stick to surfaces of things that you eat or drink. So again, that's a plus point. Then I really love the packaging of the lipstick. It's like a regular lipstick, but the colors and shades are really good. This lipstick is really nourishing because it doesn't feel dry on your lips. It really feels smooth when you apply it, and even after a while you can actually feel the hydrating feature of this lipstick. So it is again a must buy or a must have lipstick for all girls. And again, that I'm using here is Rouge, Pure Rouge 266. It is wonderful for all Indian skin tones. Again, it gives you that bright look when you are actually feeling dull or low. You can apply this lipstick and look bright instantly. Since it's a beautiful red color, it can be used on all the occasions again. And I personally feel when you are using, you know, really nude makeup for your eyes or very minimal makeup for your eyes, you can go for this color. Whenever I feel low or whenever I don't feel like putting up any makeup, I just apply this lipstick and I'm good to go. Next brand that I'm talking about is Maybelline. Maybelline doesn't need any introduction. It's a brand that is trusted for its variety of lipsticks. The lipstick that I love from their collection is this Maybelline New York Lip Gradational lipstick. So this is the lipstick that I personally like because it's really light in texture. When you apply it, it feels as if it's, you know, like a mousse foundation which instantly settles down on your lip. The lipstick comes along with this smudge kind of a thing which actually helps you in smudging the lipstick properly onto your lips, because it's so light in weight, it gets easily settled and you can actually use it as your blush at times. Even if you want to use a lipstick for your eyeshadow, you can go for this. Like, I've not tried it as an eyeshadow, but I surely have tried it as a blusher and it does work really well. So guys, this is another must use lipstick. It is again matte in texture, but it is not really rough on your lips. It doesn't gives you that you know, tight and, you know, scratchy kind of feel that you usually have when you put on matte lipsticks. It is really smooth on your lips. So these were the top 5 lipsticks that I feel are best for girls. And I think girls must have at least one of these lipsticks, and if you don't want to purchase all of these lipsticks, at least you can try one, and if you think that it suits for you, you can go for other shades as well. Well, for me, I like to try more and more colors and more brands. So if you are looking for a product within 1,000 rupees, these are the products. These are top lipsticks under rupees 1,000, and I think every girl must have at least one of them. I hope you like my video. If you do, please subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.